Utilize dead space, use open space within cabinets for storage. Keep cleaning supplies, washcloths or hand towels inside your kitchen or bathroom cabinets. The sturdy design can also hold sponges, bath bombs, candles or personal care items. Avoid installation, add extra storage without all the hardware. Padded brackets slide easily over cabinet doors for quick, no-fuss installation. No tools required. Perfect for apartments, rental homes, or RVs. View items inside with open design. Open wire design allows you to see what's inside the basket, which makes it easy to find what you need. Keep your closets, pantry, kitchen cabinets, and garage shelves organized without sacrificing easy access. Fit anywhere with compact dimensions, 6.5 liters x 10.25 w x 13.25 h. Measure cabinet for best fit. Cabinet shelves may hit basket or items inside. Please measure cabinets and shelves before purchase to ensure proper fit. Maximize your bathroom and kitchen storage by utilizing dead cabinet space with a grid over the cabinet storage basket from Diversified. The padded brackets slide over cabinet doors to utilize the open space inside the storage area. Use it in the kitchen to hold extra dish rags, sponges, dish soap, and cleaning supplies. Keep it in the bathroom to store extra soap, shampoo, conditioner, loofahs, makeup and remover, cotton swabs, hair products, styling tools, and candles. The sturdy steel supports a significant amount of weight, and the scooped front makes it easy to pull items out of the basket. The grid design melts into any design scheme, from rustic farmhouse to modern. Over the cabinet brackets are padded to protect your cupboards from scratches. Perfect for rental homes, apartments, dorms, RVs, and other small space living accommodations. These baskets are also ideal for those who do not want to drill into cabinetry. Homeowners, renters, and college students will all benefit from the increased storage capacity and lack of installation. Made of sturdy steel. Top reviews from the United States. Cute. Really nice quality. So I am terrible at organization, and I mean like terrible, haha. In an effort to appear like a decent adult, I bought these for under my kitchen sink, and I am so glad that I did. These are beautiful, fully assembled baskets that completely flatter the look under my sink, and it gives me some extra space. They aren't huge baskets, but they are big enough to pick some things off the bottom of the cupboard. I love them, and my husband said I've taken my organizing to another level, so bonus.